So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to transfer from OKX to bank account. So first, you need to access your OKX application on your mobile device. But if you don't have, just simply visit their website. And after that, you need to enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. After accessing your account, you will see this page, which is you will see the 9 dots, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. You just have to click on it, and under the manage assets, you will see a bunch of options, but just click the P2P trading. And after that, navigate to your profile and select payment. After selecting payment, you just have to click add now for you to able to add or link your bank details. After that, you just have to click or input your bank details for you to able to use the P2P or the peer-to-peer trading for them to know which bank you are using for them to send you the money, and you will just send them the cryptocurrency or basically the USDT, or either they buy some cryptocurrencies you are selling. And that's how you transfer from your OKX to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.